Welcome to POE PCBA Manufacturing Factory. Today, we will take you to have an in-depth understanding of the key step in our production process, automatic optical inspection. At POE, we have more than 20 years of experience in PCB manufacturing and assembly. Our comprehensive services and solutions help customers bring products to market quickly, efficiently and effectively. At POE, quality control is our lifeline. Our professional team strictly controls every aspect of production to ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. In the PCB assembly process, automatic optical inspection plays a vital role. So, how does AOI work? AOI equipment is equipped with high-precision cameras and advanced image recognition systems. When the PCB passes through the AOI equipment, the camera will quickly capture the image of its surface and compare it with the preset standard image. Through complex algorithms, the system is able to identify any subtle differences that are inconsistent with standards, whether it is missing components, misalignment, or poor welding. AOI can accurately detect errors and omissions in manual inspection, ensuring product quality and reliability. At POE, we are well aware of the importance of AOI. Therefore, whether we are producing large quantities of products or making samples, we will strictly use AOI for inspection. Every PCB, regardless of size, will undergo strict review by AOI to ensure the quality meets our highest standards. After strict testing by AOI, the quality of our PCB products has been fully guaranteed. This not only enhances the competitiveness of our products, but also provides our customers with more reliable and higher quality products. This is our automatic optical inspection system, which is an indispensable part of our PCB manufacturing process. At POE, we always adhere to quality as the core and use technology to empower products. We believe that only strict control, only by controlling quality, can we win the trust and support of customers.